Are you getting the Lua Socket Library DLL error after the Lua Project update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. While we cover the technical fix for Lua Socket Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Lua Socket Library, a specialized library providing TCP and UDP socket support for the Lua scripting language. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of game mods, like those for World of Warcraft or Roblox, that require network connectivity. If missing, localized mod menus or auto updaters will report a socket module load failure. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. If you see a Lua Socket Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Lua Project subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Lua Socket Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Manual intervention with Lua Socket Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Lua Socket Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Lua Socket Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support